been a while since I uploaded a video, and as most of you may know, the PSN network is down for almost a week now, and no end in sight to when it's going to be back on. So here's going to be a tutorial video on how to play PS3 online without actually using the PSN network through a program called Xlink Kai, and I'm going to show you how to set that up after I show you this little round I recorded while playing Xlink Kai. To show you it's not that much different than normal play. Well, yeah, this is gay. There's been a lot of rumors going around what happened. What I feel is the most logical explanation is that Anonymous hacked Sony's websites again, and they avoided the PSN networks because they said they weren't going to attack the consumers, but they didn't think that Sony was going to bite back. And what Sony did, it seems, is turned everything offline so they can upgrade their security, which is quite understandable. So yeah, I'm going to give a thanks to Anonymous for being real dipshits and causing this to happen to us, even if they didn't hack the network themselves. Anyway, here's a short clip of a Nuketown game I joined into to get a good recording for this. I'm going to warn you that if you do get this working, try to stay in the smaller rooms or just play zombies until you can get the network back online, because Kai is not very friendly with lots of users in one game. It will lag you out if you play. But if you stay with like 4 people and under and just do like free-for-alls, there wouldn't be much problems. The real trick to this program is actually getting it to work, and I'm about to show you that right now. Alright, here's a view of my laptop screen, and I'm going to show you how to set up Xlink Kai so you can play online. I am going to put the download link to the program and the link to the website so you can register your name in the description of the video. You want to download the program from the link I give you and not the website, because the website has a newer version that will not, for some reason, allow you to connect the hosts when you try to use your PS3. So here is a basic idea of the setup you need. The internet connection to your modem wired to your router, and then from there you need to be wired to your PC that's running Kai and wired to your game console. You do not want to do wireless because Kai is very unstable with wireless, and you will have lots of problems connecting and staying lag free. Anyway, once you download it, you set it up, install. The install is very quick and easy. And it's done. From there, you go down. Yeah, I know you can't read this text, but there will be a folder named Xlink Kai. Click on that. In any of these three, you want to right click it, go to Properties, Compatibility, make sure it's on Windows Vista Service Pack 2, even if you're on Windows 7 like I am, because there's no Windows 7 feature. Windows Vista Service Pack 2 works just fine. My mouth is so dry right now from doing this like a million times. The damn thing won't save the video. Anyway, make sure it's also on Run as Administrator. Click OK. From there you go back to that folder. Click on the one that says Configure Kai. Security features. Anyway, make sure the network adapter is set to auto detect and lock. You can have your name sign in automatically, which is kind of useful for this program. Make a note that the Kai port is port 30,000. Click OK. From here you want to go into your router control panel onto the port forward page. From there you type in 30,000 to 34,500 on both protocols. Make sure it's enabled. And for the IP address, make sure it's the IP address to the computer running Kai. And to find that out, you go to the Run, CMD, or Command, whichever one works for your computer. My computer works with CMD. On this page you type in IP config /all, enter. Now you're looking for IPv4 address, and make a note of the last three last three numbers of the address, and that's the one you want to enter into the router. From there you save your settings, exit out, and now you open up Kai. First you want to do is open up Kai, make sure it's connected. You'll know it's connected when this dark green thing starts going around more slow. Then you turn on your PS3. And as it's turning on, you can click on this planet, go to PS3, and pick on the game you want. I want to do Black Ops, so first person shooter, Call of Duty Black Ops, and here's a list of all the people that are playing on Kai right now. And private rooms inside that you can make and join into. To make sure yours is set up and connected right, you click on this hourglass here. Network reachable should say yes, and the version should be 7.3.1.7. After you do that, click on this folder here, and your PS3's MAC address should show up in a blue box, not red. It should be blue. Mine's not showing up here. It's probably because I turned mine on too soon. Anyway, it will show up there in a blue text. Let's see if I can get it to work. Yeah, and there it is. This should mean you're ready to connect, so you just go into the... Don't go into the online gaming portion of Black Ops, you just go into the area where it says lane settings and search for a game. With any luck, you'll find a game, and hopefully it'll work. Try to stick in under rooms with 4 people. If you go over 4, it tends to lag a lot, so this just gets you by until the PSN's back on. Zombies works fine, but you can't use the mic in Zombies for some reason. Mics do work for normal gameplay though.